Notice how the school behind the home where we're working, the sports fields are crowned so that they stay dry. That's really some good planning by the engineers. And when this was built, there's a lot of schools where their sports fields are too flat and they're just a mud bog. So this is great, with the exception that all the water comes right towards this home. And when you have that much property shedding water into your yard and there's no way to get the water out, you end up with a lake. All right, so we laid our system out. Then we took our plywood as far as it would go. We really don't have enough plywood for this job, and that's because we had to travel so far with just 2 vehicles and 2 very small trailers. So we're gonna come in tomorrow with the rest of the stone and be able to haul out the rest of the dirt, but we're gonna get as much as we can get done today. That's always the goal, and leave, we're hoping if we push till dark that this job is something that we're going to get done tomorrow without having to push hard. Sump system right here. There's a outlet right there to plug in the sump system. So that just worked out. That's just dumb luck. We're also going to tie in the downspouts on this building into the sump system. We want to catch that water, and then we don't want to let it go. It's too hard to corral. Grab it and get it right to the sump system. That's the plan. This job has been methodically thought out. I've been here. I walked it. I looked at all my options. I'm going to tell you why I'm doing what I'm doing, what I saw. We're going to have to cut this out by hand. This side, we cannot cut that with a sod cutter. It's just going to sink and bury itself. Again, the yard drain is going to have a catch basin here, right in there. These are the collection points. These are great collection points for a yard drain. We're going to run our French drain in the same trench. This is a sump pump system, yard drain, French drain, hybrid. This is the way to leave it to where you have no regrets. I mean, this is a no regret system. This will work in Hawaii. This will work in Florida, Louisiana. This will work anywhere.